What's up guys, it's Chris from Visual Integration. Today I'm going to show you a quick little tutorial video. It's fast, it's easy, how to remove the background or objects in your photos. So stay tuned. What you want to do is download Eraser. It's the bottom app down here on the bottom, and open it up. Then right here you'll see load new photo, resume, and whatever, how to use and ask, share, whatever. So anyways, what we want to do is load a new photo, and we'll go down to, I'm just going to pick a quick selfie video, or photo, excuse me. And if you look, once you open it up, it has all different sizes down here. And if you click the free one, they're all free, but the free one is the original size of the photo that you took, okay? So what we'll do is we'll pick that and then hit done. All right. Once we hit done, if you've seen whenever we loaded the photo, see how the background disappeared all of a sudden? Well, that is by the design of default. If you can see around the head and around my ears and whatever, there's some imperfections, okay? And that's fine. If it does that, it's no big deal. Don't panic. What we want to do is we want to go down to the bottom of the screen and see the little, we have auto, color, star, manual, repair, and zoom. Right above zoom, there's a little arrow pointing to the left with the arch. Click that, okay? Now our background's back, okay? All right, we want to hit manual, and see that? We have width size right above that now. That is the width of the circle to erase the background, okay? That's the biggest size, all right? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just delete the background right here. I'm just gonna go through this real quick, guys, so you get an idea and see how you can do it yourself. So we just kind of go through this real quick, and let's see, it's pretty good. Go around over here, and guys, this is, if you mess up, let me demonstrate. Let's say you're okay. You see how the offset from this big circle to the little circle? What that is, the bottom little circle is where your finger is, and the top circle is where you're going to be erasing, okay? So let's say you accidentally touch the screen and we do this. Oh, well, remember that arrow down there on the bottom? Click the back arrow. That's gone. So what you want to do is click away from the screen. And there's also a only move up in the top left corner. You can click that and it'll let you just move the picture and things around. So once we get most of it erased, what we want to do is we want to go down here to the width on the bottom of the screen, and we want to decrease it about halfway. Well, yeah, let's go half. And then we want to zoom in, okay? Then is when we can really start going around our object or our selfie or whatever. And guys, this does not have to be perfect, I'm telling you. I've used photos like this on a lot of different things. It does not have to be perfect. Just run around through this real quick. You use your judgment on how perfect you want your photo to be and such. You know, if you're doing some really fancy trick videos and you need the background and everything to line up perfectly, then yeah, you need to take your time. But if you're just trying to change the background and things like that and have a little fun with pictures, it's fine, trust me. Nobody will never know it. So anyways, we'll just go around real quickly. And we can always decrease the size. If it's too big, we can decrease it a little more. And it'll really get small, okay? See, look how small this is. Look how small that is. But the more we zoom in, it'll actually get a little bigger, okay? So, see that? I mean, you can really get into depth with that. But like I say, I never go with no more than less than halfway. So we're just going to keep on going around through here. And just pinch and zoom. Just keep going around. Like I say, this is a quick video just to show you guys And just keep deleting. If you mess up like I did on the ear right there, that's fine. I'm gonna show you another little trick how we can fix that in a minute. So don't panic, just keep going on, about edging it all the way around. And if you mess up, it's okay. I'm gonna show you how to fix that too, without having to click the back button. So we're going around like this right here. All right, there's that. Zoom out, we'll get this left side real quick. Oh, messed up again. No big deal, no worries. And all I'm doing is like zooming and things, guys, pinching on normal things that you do. I'm gonna erase that ear because I don't like it. It makes me look like an elf. All right. So you get the idea. So let's say we want to fix that right there. See how on the bottom of the shirt right there, I messed up on purpose. What we're gonna do is we're gonna click right beside the manual is repair. Okay. See how the transparent background lightened a little bit, and you can still see the full width and color of the shirt. Now what we're gonna do is go up here. Oh shucks. And if you do that like I just did, mess up, hit back, and then click on the shirt. We're gonna drag that. See, I did it again. See, don't panic, just hit the back. And then we're gonna drag that down real nice and slow, right at the edge of the shirt. Okay. Once we're done that, hit manual, zoom out, and see how you like it, guys. And just keep playing with it. You'll get better at it, and you'll start understanding a little more. And let's say, okay, we're done with our photo. What do we do now? We're gonna click done. All right. You have the two options: a transparent background or a white background. Transparent is what you want to pick if you're trying to change it to change the background. You can use if you change it to transparent, you can add any background. You can use this little photo as a stickers on photos. You can shrink it, zoom it in, and place it wherever you want it. What I like to do, you see right above it says feather. If you'll just kind of drag this just a little bit to the right, it kind of hides a little bit of imperfections if you have any. Just don't do a lot, because if you do a lot, it kind of looks like, see how it does that? So just kind of play with this till you're kind of happy with where it looks. And I just do very so slightly. Once you're happy with it, save it to your device.